Hey guys, this is Mommy Asi and today I'm going to share to you our favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. This batch needs 6 cup of bread flour. Actually, this is a 2 batch in 1 nap kasi mabilis maubos. I got a feeling mauubos yung isang canister. Pero let's measure it para sure. The flour I'm using is from Joy of Baking. This is my first time to try this product. And it was given to me by Joy of Baking, and initial reaction is maganda yung flour niya. Minsan nga parang hindi mo na siya kailangang i-sift pa dahil hindi naman siya super mukhang nag-solidify or nag-clump. O, diba? Tama. Isang canister ang nagamit ko. Next is add 2 cups of sugar. Mas bet ko yung brown sugar because mas nagka-caramelize yung aking cookies and iba yung flavor niya. Mas chewy pa. So, ayan, Breville Bakery Boss is flexing its superpower. May pailaw siya. And, ang lakas ng kanyang pag-mix. Parang, ano pa lang yata to pang third level sa scale niya. Pero, maganda na yung pag-mix niya. Pero, syempre, naka-timelapse yan na. Hindi yan yung actual na pag-ikot niya. Then, ayan, add 2 eggs. So, maganda yung parang cover niya na hindi siya tatasik-tasik yung mga flour and meron na siyang shoot. So, shoot mo lang dyan yung mga ingredients na kailangan mo. And protected pa from any flying object yung iyong butter. So, ayan, as you can see and hear, ayan yung turtle-like sound effect ng Breville Bakery Boss. And yan din yung mixing flour na pang second or third level pa lang. Kasi kitang-kita naman na nagmimix siya ng boga. And ayan, nag-hello po yung cover. Another attachment ng Breville Bakery Boss. Nakakatuwa yung mga attachment niya. Ang dami. Meron siyang flat paper na may parang spatula na. So, hindi ko na mag-scoop. Medyo mabigat na yung butter dyan. Bawasan natin. hindi ka nagkako. So, ayan. Medyo makapal at mabigat yung cookie dough. Parang aapaw na siya, pero kitang-kita naman kayang-kaya pa rin yung Breville Bakery Boss, diba? So, bawasan na natin para hindi siya umakwas. Bawasan na. Pero huwag natin siyang pag-uwi. on this part yata. Ayan. Hahatiin ko siya into half. Parang yung part na yan gagawin natin for milk chocolate. And the other part is a white chocolate. O, di ba may variety tayo agad. Ayan. On that part, nilagay ko na yung chocolate coins and walnuts. So, ayan. Mix lang everything with the chocolate coins and the walnuts. Pag naghalo-halo na siya lahat, it's time to scoop it. Yes, I choose scoop kasi para pare-pares yung sizes. Does this spark joy? Yes! O, diba nauna yung boses ko? Baking sparks joy, lalo na if you have the quality ingredient and the right tools and gadget, at kids na super takaw. Yes. Speaking of quality ingredient, Joy of Baking got your flour needs covered. Where to buy? Syempre sa shop. For the stand mixer, go for the Breville Bakery Boss. Super sulit sa attachments, the glass ball, the lighting pailaw niya, and the digital timer. And on that video, you can see me adding more chocolate coins pa kasi to make it more bongacious pa. Alam mo naman si Ase Girl, bongacious is the key. And yes, this cookie is super malaki para busog ka after you have it. And now it's time to bake. Pwede siya na crunchy sa ilalim, sa top, or soft bake. Mas gusto ng kids ko yung soft bake. Mas gusto ko yung medyo crispy. How about you? Gusto mo ba matikman ang cookie na ito? Comment na for a chance to win a cookie gift pack from me. Dali-dali! So, ayan guys. Thank you for watching. And kung nagustuhan nyo ang paandar na ito, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on my vlogs din. Thank you for watching.